Take it easy, guys. Clean pop.
This is ridiculous. What?
Bienvenue and welcome to the adventures of Timmy Leger. This summer's forecast looks like a full send for adventure as I travel 8,000 kilometers across the country on my bike to raise funds for children's cancer research and care and water development in Africa. This is the most recent on the adventure.
Oh, what a night. It was freezing and then it was boiling once the sun came up. To be honest, I slept in way too much, but yeah, this is really no excuse. 11:30, 11:45 right now. But yeah, let me just blame it on the fact that I'm still in my time, so it'd be like 10:15 in Montreal. Still no excuse. What do you want? Like, honestly, my excuse, in my defense, what do you want, bro? Like, it's sunny. It's probably like 15 degrees outside, which is hot for here. And I was incubating, not only in this tent, which had the fly on and was just capturing all the heat, but like, if I go outside and start tanning, you won't see me the entire afternoon. I'll come back red like a lobster. Anyway, I'll see you when I start biking.
Oh, thanks a lot. Take it easy, guys.
Bye. Have a good ride.
All right, thanks for stopping off.
Yeah,
Take it easy. See you guys. I'll let you guys go first. Cool people from Arnold's Cove. So, it was bound to happen. First one, boys. Clean pop. I saw this rock in the road. I see it coming. And then I dodged with my front tire from my, obviously the rear tire follows, but not the exact route right away. So, bang. I just heard it go, and there she goes. So I'm gonna try to change it real quick, be on the road before not too long, because this is tailwind right now. I'm going that direction. Look at my hair. See? Great wind for biking. Honestly, it might help me do like 20-30% more kilometerage than I'm used to doing. So I should really get back on the road and see how she goes. Hey, bud.
All the gear you need or what?
Yeah. I just finished changing the tire.
Oh, okay. I got tire spoons and shit in the car. See, I seen you. I didn't know if you.
Oh, thanks a lot, man. I got her done. Now I just gotta get her back on. Yeah.
No, I was just checking in.
No, I appreciate it, man. Yeah. So the repair's done, but this is such a big tear in the tire. As you can see, that I need to do something about it, because whenever I inflate it, it actually bulged, like the tube bulges out of the tire. So a couple more kilometers and I'll just rip the tire in two probably, as it bulges more and more out. So I got my kit ting, gonna glue on a patch inside the tire so that it doesn't bulge and it doesn't probably buy a new tire in Gander or Gummo, whatever it's called. Anyway, later. Over now. Oh, unfortunately, So this was a point in the trip when my GoPro battery died, but I had broken my chain because whenever I reset my tire, I did not set it back to the original gear that it had been set at. Whenever I downshifted, it downshifted the chain right into the spokes. Did not damage spokes, but tangled stuff up really bad, caused the chain to break. This lovely couple from Toronto brought me all the way to Canadian Tire and then back to where my bike was to buy me a new chain. They also bought me a lot of blessed snacks.
Knows a ton about it. Like when you first get out.
Whenever I ask people to stay in their backyard, I don't like holding a big camera, so I didn't get to film this one. But I was basically outside and nearing gale-force winds. I knocked up asking if I can simply just camp in their backyard, sheltered from the wind. And man, what a welcome I had.
What kind of skids you got in that? You got like snow skids?
Emergency pop-up floats.
Oh, I love those.
Yeah, just buzzing right over it
Wow.
before I landed, just checking it out.
So that's the one that everyone's talking about.
Yeah,
Wow.
that's Cape Bonavista right there. Oldest lighthouse.
What? Just
Look at that. Looks like a great big elephant there.
wow. Yeah, it's true. This is actually better than me biking to see it from a mile away. You know?
Oh,
110K away.
yeah. And then you don't. I mean, that's offshore, right?
This is ridiculous. What? Yo, that's a sick angle.
I know. Look at that.
You guys have the best view of anything and everything. It's nuts. There's two
I
pads.
put 3 helicopters there, plus a couple on the lawn if you want.
Thanks so much, man. Thanks.
Oh, no worries, man. I'm jealous. I wish I could do something like that.
Hey, I'm jealous. I wish I could do something like that.
Oh.
But still, you worked so many years doing it already.
Yeah,
you know?
no, I've been all over northern Canada. Been to the North Pole.
Are you serious?
Yeah, took the first A-Star to the North Pole.
No way.
Yeah. There's some potatoes. You want some? There's 2 more of those yet. See how you feel after this.
Thanks, man.
What's that?
Where's your very favorite place to play?
And I've lived in 6 provinces and 3 territories. I don't have a favorite place. Well, I didn't until I came to Newfoundland.
Really?
Man, the landscape is unbelievable. It's incredible. Ziploc bag. You see where the Avalon Peninsula
Yeah.
is connected to the rest of the island?
Yeah.
This here is called the isthmus. So you get this funnel. Look how it funnels up through here. This is all high hills here, right?
Yeah.
And high hills here and here. So the wind funnels through here.
Okay.
When Brenda and I drove our bikes down here, we hit. Brenda had a big VTX 1300.
Yeah.
We were riding sideways.
So I just showered in Renville, still in Newfoundland, and this guy is a legend of a man. He flew around all of Canada, owns helicopter businesses, and right now is flying in Newfoundland for a private guy. Yeah, really happy to actually experience generosity of a Newfoundland guy that and learn about all the history of Newfoundland, which is pretty deep in itself. So it all comes down to the cod, basically. Anyway, so I'm about to go to bed, write a bit in the journal, and I'm toast. It's like 2 a.m. So.